Hey everyone, welcome back to M&M PTE NAATI. This is Manmohit. Now guys, in today's video, we are going to do another fill in the blank reading question, and we would be discussing in detail as to why are we picking these answers, what are the correct answers obviously, and then why are we picking them, what's the reason behind them, if there are certain grammar rules that we can use, if there are certain collocations or a bit of logic or a mix of everything to get the right answer for this. Just before we proceed, if you need help and support with your PTE exams, whether it's PTE Academic or PTE Core, we do provide online coaching for that, me and Mohit ourselves. You can get in touch with us on either Instagram or Facebook. Links are in the description box, or you can simply search for M&M PTE NAATI. Message us and we'll have a chat. We'll discuss with you of how we can help you to clear this exam in the very first attempt. And same goes for NAATI exams, NAATI Hindi, Punjabi and Gujarati. Me and Mohit ourselves teach these languages. Again, you can reach out to us and we'll help you to clear these exams in your very first go. Now let's get started with this one. Now this is the question that we have over here. And as you can see, we have got 5 blanks, and obviously there are a few options at the bottom, and it's a reading fill in the blank question. So we have to pick and choose the right answers. Now, starting with the first one, what I always suggest in these videos is first, you can pause this video right now to try to solve this question by yourself and see if you can get 5 on 5 or even 3 on 5 or 4 on 5, depending on if you are able to get all those right or not. But try to solve it by yourself first and see how many correct answers are you getting. And once you're done, you can resume the video and then we can follow along. You can follow along with me to see what are the correct answers and why are we picking those answers. Now, starting with the first one, it says trees have developed intricate dash to maintain a balanced structure. So here we are missing a word which is going to be related with trees, and trees have developed something, intricate something to do what? So they have given us what have we developed to do something. So our answer should be coming from this part, to maintain a balanced structure. So we need to pick something. Trees have developed intricate methods. Intricate is an adjective over here, which is giving a quality, as in describing a noun. So we are missing a noun over here. Intricate adjective, and the word that comes after adjective is going to be a noun. And the nouns that we have over here, so we've got methods, we have got evidence, ethnicities, and that's it. So, and even root. So we have got these nouns, and our correct answer needs to be methods over here because we are talking about intricate something. So trees have developed intricate methods to do what? Maintain a balanced structure. So they have developed certain methods, certain process, you can say. Next one, as they grow, they naturally dash rid of branches that become redundant. So they dash rid of branches. So getting rid of branches. Now that's an easy collocation. We always say getting rid of something. So my answer needs to be getting or something. They naturally dash rid. And we have got the first word over here, which is get. They naturally get rid of branches. Which ones? That become redundant, usually due to lack of light or resources. This process is vital for the tree's overall health, ensuring that only productive branches dash. So we have gotten rid of the branches that we wanted to get rid of, like we made redundant. We made them redundant. And obviously this process is vital for trees' overall health. And what that helps is when you get rid of branches that are not needed, it helps ensuring that only productive branches remain is going to be my right answer over here. So I've gotten rid of the branches which I did not need. So only the productive branches will remain, the ones which are in good shape and good health. In drier regions, trees may dash branches to conserve water. Now, logically, in drier regions, when let's say it's a hot climate, right? So there's no rain or something. So what trees would do is if it's a dry region, branches are going to take a lot of resources from trees. If there's so many branches on a tree, it is going to consume all the minerals and everything that a tree has. And if tree in those dry regions, to conserve water, what tree can do is they can get rid of those branches, right? So in dry regions, trees may dash branches. So we need something that removes branches. So something similar to the word remove. Put, its opposite, peel. Now you can't peel branches. Peel is like peeling a banana. So that can't be the right answer. Evidence, ethnicity is root, shed would be the accurate answer because we can shed means getting rid of those branches to conserve water. And the last one, additionally, some species use this as a means of propagation. It's a plant term with fallen branches taking dash in new location. So branches which have fallen, as per the logic, common sense, what happens is if a branch has fallen somewhere, it will start to grow roots and it will grow into a tree. That's what happens, right? And exactly the same word we need over here. With fallen branches taking dash in new locations means root in new locations. Root means starting to emerge. And that would be my right answer. And if I check my answers, I have got all my answers right. So this is what I wanted to share in this video, not just giving you the right answers, but the logic behind it. That's extremely important to understand as to why are we picking the answers, what's the reason for picking this over the other word. If you understand the logic, that is going to help you in a real exam to have majority of your blanks right. If you start guessing the answers, that may not take you too far. If you're only aiming for 50 or even 65, that may work in some cases. But even for 65, 79 for sure, and a perfect 90, we need to understand why are we picking the answers. Once you understand the logic, once you understand the meaning of the paragraph and the meaning of the words, collocations, few grammar rules, that is going to help you to get so many of your blanks right. So guys, this is what I wanted to share in this video. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments down below. Or like I said, if you need help and support with us, and if you need one-on-one feedback, which is what we provide to all our students, whether it's NAATI exams or if it's PTE exam, we do not create a common group with so many students in that, but we create a personal Telegram group with our students. If your name is Ajay, for example, we would be creating a Telegram group with the name of Ajay PTE, because that is that student's personal group. And in that group, we do not include any other student. It's only Ajay, me, and Mohit, only three of us. And that is where all the magic happens, because we would be giving a proper study plan to a student and we would be expecting them to send their work to us on a daily basis, which we are going to manually review every single day and give proper detailed feedback on a daily basis all 7 days a week. And that is when students, when they know they have got that guidance, that they can ask us any question whenever they want, they can get that feedback from us whenever they want. That is when they improve, they implement their feedback, and they go and give their exam whenever we ask them to, whenever we feel they're ready. And that's how they get their desired score in their very first attempts. And that is what's happening with us from a long, long time. So if you need that guidance, one-on-one feedback, online coaching from us, reach out to us on Instagram or Facebook. Links are in the description box, or just search for M&MMPT NAATI. Message us, admin would be there, we would be there, we'll have a chat, we'll even discuss on phone, and we'll get these exams cleared in your very first go. Guys, all the best if you have got your exams coming soon. I wish you all the luck. Stay safe wherever you are, and I will see you all in the next video.